Well, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, here I'm going to put new shoes, new kicks on my Harbor Freight Series 1 44-inch toolbox. So let's get this going, see how it goes. All right, now if you can see down there, the wheels over here are thin than the wheels over here because the material is on. It's all metal. Sad fact. But we're going to put some new wheels on. Got these from the old Harbor Freight. They are maximum of, come on, focus here, 600 pounds per wheel. So that's pretty good. 2,400 pounds total. So that should hold up that cart very nicely. Now there are no kick brakes on them. That's okay. Nothing a wheel chock can't handle. Anyway, let's get this started. Now what you can do is take out all the drawers, lean the toolbox on its back, do it like that. I am not. Use some wood on the bottom, lift up one side, do the wheels, lift up the other side, do the wheels. Let's see how that works. All right. See if you're out the other end. You are. I'll start bringing this up. Closing it would be nice. Shake it. It's on there. All right. Let us get under there and see what kind of bolts we're looking at. Probably 16s. I have no idea, but we're going to check. One, two, three, four. I am correct. 16s. Well, let's get it cracking. Now I had to bring it up a little higher because the wheels, they do sit a little higher than the ones that came with it. Right here, a little bit higher. Let's get on it. 2, 4. Okay. Let me get an extension. That one was loose. Interesting. One bolt. Two bolts. Three bolts. 4 bolts. Now let's get on here and check the bolt holes. It's a match. I see. Let me see where I'm supposed to be. All else fails way down on the damn ground. There we go. Just tighten by hand. All right, let's do this. Okay, 1 down, 3 to go. Always remember where the holes are. Don't want to surprise anyone, right? Okay. That one's on. That one's on. Let's move to the other side. All right, now we're officially crooked because those wheels are taller than those wheels. Let's get them changed. All right, all 4 are on. Moment of truth. Nice and slow. All right. Straight again. Wheels are on. And they're all nice and smooth. No more sounding like a freight train coming down the road. There we go. New wheels on my Harbor Freight 44-inch Series 1 toolbox. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz.